Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Today we will solve question number 9, exercise 1b. The diagram shows a right angle triangle with sides x and x meters, 2x plus 5 meters and 10 meters. Find the value of x and leave the answer in third form. To solve this question, we will use Pythagoras theorem and we will make an equation that is x square plus 2x plus 5 square equal to 10 square. On simplification, you will get x square plus 4x square plus 20x plus 25 equal to 100. It will become 5x square plus 20x equal to 100 minus 25. You can write 5x square plus 20x equals to 75. Divide throughout by 5. You can get x square plus 4x equals 15. And now you can apply the formula x plus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square equals to 15. X plus 2 whole square is equal to 15 plus 4. X plus 2 whole square is equal to 19. And x plus 2 is equal to plus minus under root 19. You can find the value of x, that is minus 2 plus minus under root 19. As x is a distance, so you can take only the positive sign, so you will ignore the negative sign and your answer will be minus 2 plus under root 19, and it can be written as under root 19 minus 2. Today we will solve question number 10, exercise 1b. Question is, find the real solution of the equation 3x square plus 5x minus 7 whole power 4 equal to 1. To solve this equation, we will simply take the power one over 4 on both sides, and you are left with 3x square plus 5x minus 7 equal to 1 power 1 over 4 is 1. Now you can rearrange it. 3x square plus 5x equal to 7 plus 1, and 3x square plus 5x is equal to 8. Now divide it by 3. we'll get x square plus 5 over 3x is equal to 8 over 3. Now you can apply the formula for completing square, and you will get x plus 5 over 6 whole square minus 5 over 6 whole square is equal to 8 over 3. X plus 5 over 6 is equal to 25 over 36 plus 8 over 3. X plus 5 over 6 whole square is equal to take 36 as LCM, 25, 96. So on simplification you will get x plus 5 over 6 whole square is equal to 121 over 36. Now you can take the square root on both sides and you are left with x plus 5 over 6 equal to plus minus 11 over 6. So x is equal to minus 5 over 6 plus minus 11 over 6. Taking 6 as LCM, you are left with minus 5 plus minus 11. Now you can write it as x equal to minus 5 plus 11 over 6 and x equal to minus 5 minus 11 over 6. X equal to 6 over 6, that is x is equal to 1, and x is equal to minus 16 over 6, that is x is equal to minus 8 over 3. This is the answer. Viewers, thanks for your precious time. Please subscribe to our channel Sara Pakistan and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Hope you will like and share this video within your circle. Stay connected and thanks for watching.